Years ago, my wife visited Rome with her friend Carly, and so she's been doing some art projects and she asked me to frame it. So I framed it in some walnut. We like to fill our home with things that we've made, either it's furniture or artwork or friends or family that have artwork that we want to put up instead of just buying stuff from the store, just run of the mill kind of things. It's unique and makes the home feel more comfortable. So you see me here just putting together. I actually tore it apart around this time because there was a little imperfection and I was trying to fix it. You know, if you've ever heard the saying, it's good enough for who it's for. You know, if it's for my wife, then it's got to be perfect, especially if it's going to go in our home. So here I am just filling in little corners, little something you probably would never see, but I see. I see the imperfections in it. So just fixing it up, and we're going to sand it and put a finish on it and be able to put it in our home forever and look back on these memories of we made it together. And that's kind of the lifestyle we want to build. So if you like it, let us know.